Hello ladies and gentlemen. This video you're looking at didn't work out the way I wanted it to, so instead of scrapping the whole thing, I decided to just not do the talk through and make it a voiceover instead, so I can still show you guys how I got this dramatic eye look. So you're going to see me talking along this video without actually hearing it. So first thing first, every time I do a halo eye, I test the colors out on my arm to see how I want it to be, and then I decided to start with this orange color in this Makeup Revolution palette. And I picked that up with a fluffy blending brush and just smoked that out in my crease as a transition shade. I then picked up a bit of a brighter orange shade from this BH Cosmetics palette to get it a little bit more vibrant. So I just washed it over in the same area. I also picked up a slimmer brush and worked it on my lower lash line. Next, I picked up a red color with that thinner brush and I worked it into the inner and the outer corners to warm up this look. I'm going for a coppery red type of look and I want that extra oomph of red coming through underneath. After working it into the corners, I'm just connecting it in my crease a bit. Next, I'm picking up a dark, rich brown with a flat shading brush and I worked that into the inner and the outer corners of my eyes again. A little bit more contained than I did with the red, so that it fades from the brown to the red to the orange. And I also did it on my lower lash line as well, so that I don't have to remember everything I did later. I then picked up this brownish red color with that small blending brush and used it to help the two colors blend in my crease. I decided to pick up another dark brown because that first one wasn't showing enough, so I placed it in the same areas and just blended it out again. I'm then picking up a shimmery brown that's a little bit sheer and applying it all over my lid to start getting some shine going. And it's definitely one of those colors that work better if you use your finger. Next, I'm mixing a white highlighter shade and a golden highlighter shade to get that golden highlighter to be brighter, and applying it right down the middle of my eyelid to create that halo eye. I'm then picking up a brown highlighter and I'm using that to blend the gold to the brown that's already on my lid. So it really helps that edge fade and it allows me to shape the halo eye a bit. I'm then going in with a yellow shimmer shade and I'm going to be applying it over the middle of the halo eye because I wanted that gold to be more of a yellow gold than a pale gold. So this just got the color more where I wanted it. With a thin brush, I went back in with that reddish brown color and used it to shape the halo eye when it went up into my crease and to blend out the look a little bit further to make it a bit more dramatic. Next, I put on some eyeliner. You guys know the deal. I just draw a line on my upper lash line, draw a small wing and color it in. I also drag it into the inner corners a bit to give a bit of that cat eye look. For lipstick, I decided to be dramatic and use this true brown color, and I used the bullet of the lipstick to just line my lips and then color everything in. I then wanted to make it a little bit metallic, so I picked up some golden highlighter and applied it over my lips before going over it with the lipstick again, so the metallic kind of shines through instead of being too intense. Now that my liner is dry, I am curling my lashes and I'm going to be applying a little bit of mascara. And then onto my hair, I didn't want to leave it in a bun like that. I slept with it in a braid so it has a little bit of wave going on, so I decided to just let it be down. Now let's see if I can lip sync with myself. And then this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it, and then I'll see you again next time. Bye!